And you know what the best part of having a girl's day is? That you can ask me anything you want.
Did you know I'm gay?
Come on, Lily is not gay. It's probably just a phase. Oh my God, did I just say that? Do not tell anyone I just said that.
I got my sweater. Can I go now?
Here, yes, sweetie, have a seat.
Gosh, if this was a hay bale and she was wearing a prairie skirt, it would be a total flashback.
Stay with us. So Gloria was telling us about something that you said, something about you being gay.
What about it?
Okay, very aggressive, just saying.
Well, we're just wondering, why did you say that?
Because I'm gay.
But why do you think you're gay, sweetie?
We're learning about it in school.
Oh.
My friend Aldo's parents are Italian, so he's Italian, and you and Daddy are gay, so I'm gay.
Oh.
First of all, adorable. But that's not how it works. When Aldo's talking about him being Italian, he's talking about his heritage.
Yeah, and that's a totally different thing than being gay. See, heritage is, it's something that you're born with. And oh my God, what's wrong with me?
And with respect to your heritage, you're not gay. You're Vietnamese.
What's that?
Well, Vietnam is a beautiful country, and it's near China.
It's known for, its farms with all of the,
water buffalo.
And the bikes. Lily, there are bikes everywhere.
Are so many bikes.
So many bikes.
People are biking around,
Mm-hmm.
and they're wearing hats. They have these beautiful sun hats. Yeah.
Yeah.
Can I go and play now?
Please, go.
Gosh,
Yes.
Would you? Love for you to.
Help me, I need help with my order.
Hi, what seems to be the problem?
I placed a few orders, but I need to cancel some.
Okay, can I get the order numbers?
Sends a list of 11 orders to cancel.
Please cancel these. IDK, what happened? I kept clicking the buy button and now it's over $1,500.
How did you? Never mind, yes, I will cancel them. When you waited vinyl for years till you discovered clear film screen print transfers. They require no weeding. You will be so obsessed.
My name is Mama. Mama.
My name is Baby.
No!
My name is Clap, clap, Brother Star. My name is Daddy. Dad.
Baby.
Brother.
Right, so this was a little too spicy for me, if you know what I mean, the first time I had it. So I'm gonna mix it in with my hot chocolate and see if I like it a little more. The packaging is so cute and it actually really does smell like cookies. Here we go. It definitely doesn't smell like just hot chocolate anymore. After a long, stressful day, this is exactly what I need.
example of strength versus technique.